So Booth & Partners has been around since 2013. So we offer tailored outsourcing and offshoring solutions for businesses and clients throughout the world across a lot of different industries. So we're approaching the 1,700 employees now, over 150 clients throughout the world. And one of the things that really sets us apart is that we offer that tailored solution to businesses. Whether they want their global workforce being managed operationally day to day, we can do that. Whether they want to operationally manage those employees day to day, we take care of the benefits and the payrolls and remove all of that overhead. We can offer more of a tailored solution that's agile for businesses that are wanting to scale. Another thing that really differentiates us is that we have long-term tenure. So the employees that work with us for our clients, they usually stick around. From an industry perspective. We have some of the best retention rates in the business. So people that work with our clients, they're there for a long time and they're happy. And probably the third thing that really differentiates us is that we participate in 1% for the planet. So what that means is we donate 1% of our sales to environmental initiatives throughout the world. So it's something we're super passionate about. It's one of our values and another really big differentiator for us. My name is Chad Chambers. I'm the head of Org Innovation. I've been around for about 1.5 years with Booth & Partners. So my big role is I get into a lot of areas of the business. I make sure that whatever we're doing, it scales. It provides a really good experience. So I touch base on a lot of application processes and how scalable we can grow as a business. Something that I'm super focused on, but really driving really good experience for our clients and our employees.
I'm Devtac. I'm the business optimization lead here at Booth & Partners, and I'm responsible for helping the business optimize our processes and come up with new innovations on how our service offerings give a better experience to our customers.
So I'm Pearl. I head the client services and operations here at Booth & Partners. So that means I oversee the management of client relationships, service delivery, and team performance. But that also includes developing strategies to ensure we continuously improve client retention and meet SLAs.
We have customers and clients throughout the world. So we cover a lot of different industries. We have clients that are from financial services, healthcare, name it. Privacy, data security was paramount for us. So we do work with a lot of businesses like in the financial services, the healthcare worlds. So they're super focused on privacy, we're super focused on privacy. So to work in an ecosystem that has that baked into it, that was something that was right at the top of our list when we were looking at applications and systems to use. Zoho fulfilled that for us, and we've been super pleased with that so far from a privacy perspective.
From a CRM point of view, before we started using Zoho, all our client data was pretty much all over the place. Mostly it's in spreadsheets. That includes our reporting and our sales pipeline. So essentially, it's manual and inefficient.
So at Booth & Partners, since we're essentially a recruitment and outsourcing company, we really needed a solution that could also support our recruitment activities. When we were looking in the market, a lot of the solutions that were available were not giving us the end-to-end that we needed. It was either we buy 2 separate systems and then integrate it, or we just have to do it manually. And so that would really incur a lot of additional costs in terms of APIs and licenses. Zoho was the only one that we found could support that kind of business structure that we were looking for. So that was really one of the main decision points in choosing Zoho.
So it's helped us in a lot of different areas. Like one thing that really comes to mind is the integration of our data and our applications. So we work with a lot of different applications within Zoho. The ability to kind of take those, bring them together holistically and centrally, and then produce dashboards and business intelligence off of that, that's been a really big game changer for us because it allows us to get insights predictively into our data and make better decisions. So to be able to have that power in those facilities at our disposal via Zoho, it's been a game changer for us.
So with Zoho CRM, definitely it helped us better track our data now, particularly on client retention, because we're able to easily access or check, inactive and active clients. At the same time, our client services managers and business development managers have a single source of truth now through Zoho CRM because of better client data management. So essentially, we set up Zoho CRM in a way wherein we built in some notifications. It depends on whichever is applicable, which journey the client is in or what stage. For example, during onboarding process, as long as it's kicked off, there's a notification that will be sent to the client, such as welcome email from the founder. So it's a good way of really welcoming them with the company. At the same time, we also use Zoho CRM to send surveys for us to show commitment to our clients that we are always open to receive feedback. So we've made several configurations and customizations to ensure our CRM fits our needs perfectly. This includes territory management, workflows, and API integration through our website. We also use assignment rules, layout rules, custom fields and buttons, as well as new layouts and modules.
We use the Luge in a lot of our various workflows. We also use it to set up custom buttons in our CRM. So for in our workflows, the Luge helps us integrate different modules, allowing for more automation and efficiencies.
We recruit for a lot of businesses, as mentioned, with a lot of industries throughout the world. So the recruiting element and the sales element is a really big part of what we do. So we use the CRM, Zoho CRM, to store our contact data, but also our sales pipeline as well. So to be able to integrate our sales pipeline with our recruitment via Zoho Recruit, that type of integration that we've done through Zoho has been absolutely critical for us because it creates a two-way integration which shows our sales team how well they're doing on sales. How does that propagate over to recruitment and how well we're placing those recruitments on behalf of our clients? So it helps our sales team, it helps our recruitment team, but most importantly, it really gives a seamless experience for our clients who we're recruiting for.
But now that both of our platforms are integrated, everything is clearer. From an employee experience perspective, everyone now knows who's in charge of what and what they're able to hold each other accountable for. The sales team is also able to see all the activity at one glance from the dashboards that we created for them. So they are able to really communicate with our clients, much quicker. They'll be able to give updates, and it really improved our service levels. Since our integration, we've resulted in an increase in our job fulfillment rate. Once we had that integration in place, our fulfillment rate went up from 55.97% to 81.5%. So that's thanks to our data cleanup, and we reduced the manual tasks that our TA, client services, and sales teams were doing. And because of that, they were able to focus on high-value activities. In terms of productivity, in Q3 of 2024, our talent acquisition team actually made a great improvement in our closing rate. So it jumped to 89%, which is a very big increase from 37% from last year. This transformation really underscores the significant impact of our automation enhancements in Zoho CRM and Zoho Recruit. These advancements have not only streamlined our processes, but also empowered us to meet our hiring goals with efficiency and agility. Because we streamlined our processes through a lot of the automations that we've had, we were able to really cut down our turnaround time by around 50% to complete a lot of their tasks. So over the past 9 months, we've actually seen a remarkable surge in the adoption of our core Zoho products, with the highest going up to 80%. I would say that this significant increase reflects the value our solutions are bringing to our users and the growing trust that our employees have in the product suite.
The CRM integration with Zoho Recruit is a complete pipeline and a seamless experience that we really wanted to bake in, right? So from a Zoho CRM perspective, that's where we store our sales pipeline, but also our account and client information. And to be able to link that with the people that we are recruiting for them via Zoho Recruit that was so critical for us to do. So what that does is it allows that seamless integration of data both ways to see what clients are wanting to recruit, what prospects are there wanting to recruit in our sales pipeline, and then how well are we facilitating those in Zoho Recruit and then propagating that data back over into the Zoho CRM. Again, so it gives us that 360-degree view of that value-added service that we're providing for our clients.
Zoho CRM remains a cornerstone of our operations, and with enhanced features and improved user training, we're seeing better adoption and efficiency across teams. I think that this momentum will continue as we aim to double our employee count over the next few years, and we feel that with Zoho's comprehensive suite supporting us in managing the scaling of our operations, our collaboration with Zoho has really evolved from simply using, one or few tools to really trying to embed it in our ecosystem and into our core processes. We feel that this alignment is really paving the way for our sustainable growth and operational excellence.
So if you're looking for a software partner to scale together with your business, I think Zoho is a great solution because Zoho software has only improved since we started using it. Along the way, we began to understand ourselves more as a business.
So Devtac really played a pivotal role in helping us implement a lot of the improvements that we made on our Zoho platforms. We didn't really know what we didn't know in regards to Zoho's capabilities, and they really helped guide us in our transformation project. Partnering with Devtac also allowed us to focus on the change management aspect so that our end users were properly guided to the enhancements that we were making to the platform.
Devtac is one of the leading IT consulting firms specializing in design and implementation of end-to-end business solutions. With CRM development as our cornerstone since 2009, Devtac is proud of our 15 years of experience in the industry. As a Zoho trusted premium partner for the past decade, Devtac successfully served over 300 clients, both locally and internationally, helping business streamline operation and efficiency.
My name is Annalisa Nicolasora. I'm the account manager of Devtac. With nearly 8 years of experience in the company and a decade of expertise in the SLC. I started my career as a software developer and transitioned into IT sales later on. I have been actively anchoring the relationship between Devtac and Recruitment partners to ensure a successful collaboration and delivery of IT solutions.
Hey, I'm Rez, a software developer at Devtac. As a software developer at Devtac with a year of experience, I contributed to the core building and implementation phases of Recruitment Partners project. I also collaborated closely with the project champions, Joseph and Raz, to ensure a smooth and seamless execution, aligning technical delivery with the project's strategic goals. In the Recruitment Partners process, everything begins with Zoho CRM, which created a single source of truth that also streamlined their operation. The process starts by creating job openings and requests within a specific stage in Zoho CRM, which are then synced one way to Zoho Recruit. Certain stages captures the client's manpower needs and are passed to Zoho Recruit via the job open. Any updates to the FTEs in Zoho CRM also get synchronized back to Recruit. Once the job opening is live, we can track status changes and are updated in Zoho CRM automatically. After the approval, key details such as job offers, contracts, start dates, and salaries are shared with the requester, ensuring a seamless and efficient hiring process.
Working with Recruitment partners has been an incredibly positive experience. Their professionalism coupled with a friendly and approachable demeanor has fostered a highly collaborative environment. From the outset, their openness about their goals and needs has empowered us to execute with precision and efficiency. Recruitment partners' strong commitment to quality and innovation aligns seamlessly with our own values, making it effortless to build a solid and productive relationship. We've gained valuable insights from one another, and we're excited to continue growing together in this successful partnership.